over. Let's go to part 2 now. Only 6 more parts to go. Cool.
Lesson 27 of 32. The Re flat major, D flat major scale. Part 2 of 7. Warm up with the major scale in the natural harmonic and melodic modes. The Re flat major, D flat major scale is the major relative of the C flat minor, B flat minor scale. The major scale has 3 modes: natural, harmonic, and melodic. In the harmonic mode, the 6th note is lowered by 1 chromatic semitone. In the melodic mode, the 6th and 7th notes are lowered each by 1 chromatic semitone. This creates more tonal relevant harmonic and melodic relationships. For a brief introduction to the benefits of solfege and sight singing, please Google the words about benefits solfege liviano, and you will have the link to a free YouTube presentation on this subject. One more thing. The numbers you see under each note from 1 to 7 represent the function and relationship of each of the 7 notes in this scale. Notice how the 7 numbers are the same in each lesson for the same part. You should sing only with Do Re Mi or with ABC and not with the numbers.
Listen, sing, repeat.